Yesterday after 2:30 p.m. buy call started. Can you see that green color candle? That is where the buy signal begin and it ended up breakout first target. Today after 1 minute of market open 9:16 a.m. sell call came, so red color candle open. Whenever the breakout happen, whenever the market trend changes, it will immediately give calls like a signal automatically. Right now you are watching video like this daily, you watch this chart, it will give calls like a signal. Through this signal you will get entry, target, stop loss. Through these stop loss entries you can do manual trade as well as auto trade also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today weekly expiry day, September 4th market, Wednesday market, and 9:16 the sell call came. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is where our entry point line. Sell at 51,659. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point momentum. So we are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. At the end of the video we will show option chart also, due to it's a weekly expiry day and many of them are trading in option chart only. After 30 minutes of sell call generated, market successfully break out 100 point and still going downside direction. Can you see from opening itself market was in very bearish momentum. So in just a 5 candle it has given a strong momentum and followed continuous downside direction. Let's take a look at option chart. 51,500 put option, it's a weekly expiry only. The call came at 208 range. So from 208 it has breakout 280 in first 5 minutes and currently trading above 300. Like this in option chart also it performed really well due to a trendy market in expiry day. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.